This is Eric with TechnoRV, and this is the TechnoRV Learning Series for the Rand McNally RVND GPS unit. And in this video I'm going to show you how to set preferences, specifically the general preferences. So to do that, from your main menu down here at the bottom of the screen, you'll see preferences, and you'll just go ahead and click on that. And you'll notice across the top of the screen here you've got general preferences, routing preferences, and map preferences. In this video I'm just going to go through the general preferences, and then I'll have other videos for the routing and map. A lot of this is just what it says. It's just a preference and what you like. It starts off with the skin style. It's like, what do you want your screen to look like? And they've got a few choices over here for you. You can click between those and kind of see which one is kind of easier on your eyes, and choose that. And that's for skin style in the daytime, and then there's a skin style for nighttime if you prefer for that to be different. You can kind of play around with that. The vehicle type here, this is where you can go in and change this from RV to car. Now when you're in RV, it is considering all of your specific information that you have set up in this GPS, like your height, your weight, how many propane tanks, things of that nature. It is taking all that into consideration whenever you're on RV. If you change that to car, then it's just going to route you just like a car. So if you were to move this unit from your RV into a car, then you could easily go into general vehicle type and change it to car, and then it wouldn't route you like you're an RV. The next one is home time zone. So you can just put whatever your home time zone is. Day-night mode. This is going to affect the brightness of the unit, and I usually keep mine on always day. I just happen to like it a little brighter. You can see if I go to always night, it goes darker, and then always or automatic, and then of course you go on always day. You can see in the screen there how that just kind of brightens it up. That's where I like it. You can test and see what is best for your eyes, and you can change that very easily in this setting right here. Now just go and press this bottom arrow right here to get more choices. You've got this brightness option here, to where if you're in day or night mode, you can adjust what that's going to look like. So you can see, you can just tap these boxes right here and it'll affect the brightness of the screen. And my custom POIs, that's kind of a whole nother animal here. I'm not really going to go into that in this video. It's not really necessarily a preference, but you can have custom points of interest, and that's where you would kind of manage that from. The toll prompt notification. Do you want to be notified of tolls? Yes or no. I like it, so I keep it enabled. And then screen click. Do you want there to be a click sound when you touch the screen? On or off there. This is where you can get back into the tutorial, and then for the unit there, and then there's just some keyboard preferences here. Your voice name. This is basically going to be what's going to talk to you, a female voice or a male voice. And then you've got your language here if you want to change that, and then the units, and you can easily just put that to US standard if that's how you like that. And let's press the down arrow. There's a clock setting on how you would like for that to be a 12-hour clock or a 24-hour clock. Screen snapshot button. Honestly, I'm not completely sure what that is. short up, and if I come across one like that, which is kind of rare, but I'll usually just leave it as the default, figure it out later. Shortcut button. This is do you want the shortcut button to go to the main menu or go to maps? And the quick power press for the main menu. You can kind of play around with that on what your preferences are. I like just to leave it at the main menu, and then there's a way that you can go in and work with the alignment of your screen. And then there's a spot that just has your GPS status. This gives you your specifics, your latitude and longitude. And then the last one is just contacting Rand McNally. There's email, there's a phone number for technical support. There's also gives you for device updates. It shows you here that you need to go to the randmcnally.com/doc, and that'll give you help on how to go in and do updates on your unit. So that is the general preference tab for your Rand McNally RVND 7.